In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the lead status in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your CRM skills, this tutorial will walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. Open up your preferred web browser and go directly to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, log in if you haven't already, and you'll find the user guide section on the homepage. It's a great way to refresh on any specifics or get more detailed information about various functionalities, including what we'll cover today. Once you've familiarized yourself with the user guide, the next step is to click on CRM. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, is where all your contact data is stored. It's essentially the heart of your HubSpot operations, allowing you to manage relationships and interactions with both potential and current customers. After clicking on the CRM option, you'll want to select the Contacts tab. This section is crucial because it houses all the contact details you've collected. It's where you can delve into the specifics of each contact, analyze communication history, and most importantly for today's guide, adjust lead statuses. When you're in the Contacts section, look for the listing of all your contacts. Don't be overwhelmed if you see a long list. HubSpot's search and filter tools can help you find the specific contact you're looking to update. Once you locate the desired contact, click on it to pull up its detail view. Now that you have the contact details in front of you, look for the lead status field. This field provides insight into where a particular contact stands in your sales process. It's a customizable field that reflects stages like new, in progress, open deal, and more, depending on how your organization defines its sales pipeline. Click on the Lead Status field. You'll see a drop-down menu displaying the available statuses. Carefully select the new status that matches the contact's current position in your sales cycle. This might mean moving a contact from new to in progress, for example, depending on recent interactions or updates in their interest levels. After selecting the appropriate lead status, always remember to save your changes. This ensures that the updates you've made are reflected across your team, maintaining consistency and accuracy in how contacts are categorized. Save your progress, and you're done. In just a few steps, you've successfully edited a lead status in HubSpot. Keeping your CRM data up to date is vital for maximizing sales opportunities and optimizing your marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out other guides for more tips on managing your HubSpot CRM effectively.